A beautiful artistic fusion, because Madhubani is a very old painting form that has been practiced since ages. जब जनक जी अपनी पुत्री का विवाह कर रहे थे तब से ये पेंटिंग चली आ रही है, मतलब लगभग 14,000 साल पुरानी। और आरी रंग जो कि अपने ट्रेडिशन और कल्चर से जुड़ा है, उसे मैंने एक फ्यूज़न दिया है। मैंने दोनों कलाओं और रीति रिवाजों को एक साथ लाया है इस पेंटिंग के फॉर्म में। बट डू यू नो द डेफिनेशन ऑफ फॉक? फॉक ऐसी चीज़ों को कहा जाता है जो एक स्पेसिफिक पीपल, कल्चर, प्लेस या ट्रेडिशन से जुड़ कर रह गया। वो एक प्लेस से आगे नहीं जा पाया, इसीलिए उसे फॉक कहा जाता है। और अगर हम मॉडर्न पेंटिंग्स की बात करें तो उसे सब जानते हैं, वो हर किसी के पास है। That's why folk is folk, because it stick with the people, and I don't want it. And here youth plays the part. We don't like to be held in a box. We like to embrace, to fulfill our dreams, to explore the world with our beliefs, thoughts, cultures. We want to preserve our cultures not just to ourselves but also by giving others. And this song proved it. Arirang spread all over the world and everyone praised it. I think now it's celebrated all over the world without thinking it's a folk. People don't limit it anymore. So why should not we should give a chance to Madhubani? Same way, if we move our art to the world by collaborating modern ideas, concepts and aesthetics, doesn't matter it belongs to the which part of India, Europe or Asia, all folk arts deserve to be known and praised by the world. Yes, it needs, it wants, it deserves. And if we are able to do it, then the folk will not survive. Then the folk will not survive anymore but thrive. A separation and longing will come to an end if we are able to collab with the world. Do you know what I mean? And don't get me wrong, I know you all are always craving for this, that your soul always needed. So, armies become part of a story of Ari Rang, where I give each piece to each army and its total 4 army. So, imagine the wave, the history we're gonna create. It's a love letter from me to the world. We are together. A fight for love and freedom.